How long does it take to build a power plant? Nuclear, 16 years. Coal, 12 years. Natural gas, 6 years. Solar, less than 1 to 2 years, and often just a few months. This isn't just speed, it's efficiency. People think big energy projects take decades, but solar scales faster than any energy source in the history of mankind. While a nuclear plant breaks ground, solar farms have already powered entire cities. While a natural gas plant's drill and drill, solar panels have been installed on thousands of rooftops. Battery storage complements solar and can be built just as quick. Remember, natural gas and coal, 6 to 12 years and billions in costs, dependent on volatile fuel prices. Nuclear, 16 plus years. Even small modular reactors, SMRs, still 7 to 10 years away. Solar isn't waiting, it's already winning. And while the world debates, the fastest built energy source in history is quietly taking over. One day, we'll all look back and wonder, why didn't we solve this sooner? Right now, our power grid is running straight into a massive problem, and most people have no idea it's happening. During the day, solar power floods the grid with cheap energy. But as soon as the sun sets, demand surges, fossil fuels fire up, and we get the infamous duck curve, a massive dip in midday energy, followed by a dangerous evening spike. And here's the crazy part. We already have the solution, but no one is talking about it. We could fix the duck curve today. But instead, we keep making the same mistake, pitting solar and nuclear against each other. For decades, the debate has been framed as solar versus nuclear. Solar is the future. We don't need nuclear. Nuclear is reliable. Solar is too unpredictable. But here's the truth. We're thinking about energy the wrong way. Are we witnessing the start of mass grid defection in the US? Imagine waking up, flipping the light switch, and nothing happens. With utility rates soaring, questionable grid infrastructure, and data centers wreaking havoc, more Americans are cutting the cord, going off-grid with solar plus storage. People don't want to be left in the dark. In fact, the off-grid market is growing faster than grid-tied solar, giving the power back to the people. Experts say off-grid solar is growing 7 to 10% per year, compared to just 6% for grid-tied. In states like Arizona, Georgia, and Massachusetts, the math already makes sense. Solar, batteries, and generators are making it easier than ever, and people have been DIYing it way before mainstream. You can literally learn this stuff on YouTube. A lot of the world is used to rolling blackouts, but the US would freak out, bro. Are you ready if it does? Most people don't realize there's a hidden nuclear waste network building the world's next energy revolution. Here's what they know that you don't. Diamonds could power a spaceship, and that nuclear waste is making it possible? This is happening in real time as the US begins firing up old and new nuclear reactors. Scientists are utilizing these diamonds to turn nuclear waste into batteries that last thousands of years, protect astronauts and spacecraft from deadly space radiation, and harvest gamma rays to generate clean energy. This is just the beginning. Most people think diamonds are just for jewelry, but actually they can be the key to unlimited energy. Solar power is already being used to create artificial diamonds, supercharging the future of diamond technology. And now there's diamond nuclear batteries. Scientists take carbon-14 from nuclear waste and transform it into self-powered diamond batteries. These batteries don't need charging. They literally last for thousands of years. Solar energy is used to refine the diamond structures, making them purer, more efficient, and scalable. Future applications include phones that never die, space probes that never lose power, and medical implants that work for life. Diamond shields for space travel. Cosmic radiation destroys everything in space, except diamonds. Scientists are using solar nanotechnology to engineer ultra-thin diamond shields to protect astronauts. These shields could help spacecraft, space stations, and even Mars colonies survive for decades longer. Harvesting gamma rays with diamonds. Right now, nuclear waste emits gamma radiation, which is normally dangerous. But diamond-based materials could turn that radiation into electricity, essentially creating power from thin air. Solar-powered synthesis makes these materials viable at scale. Diamond drill bits unlocking geothermal energy. The Earth is a massive energy source, but we can't reach deep enough. Diamond drill bits, crafted with solar-assisted chemistry, could break through the hardest rock, unlocking unlimited geothermal energy. Think about it. Solar power helping drill into the Earth's core to extract clean energy forever. This changes everything. If scientists can use solar power to turn diamonds into energy sources, we could be looking at a future where phones and electric cars never need to be charged. Spacecraft last forever without fuel or batteries. Nuclear waste becomes one of our most valuable energy sources. But no one is talking about this. If you think solar power and diamonds could change the world, hit like and comment below. Would you trust a nuclear-powered diamond battery in your phone? Okay, this is going to blow your mind. We're about to dive into the future of 4th-gen solar cells. Nothing like your grandpa's solar panels. First up, 2D material-based solar cells. Imagine something literally one atom thick generating electricity. Graphene sheets that are thousands of times thinner than a human hair, but absolutely crushing it at absorbing sunlight. Next level, quantum dot solar cells. These tiny semiconductor crystals are like microscopic light catchers that we can tune, literally tune, to capture different colors of light. The wild part? We can spray them onto surfaces like paint. This one will shock you. Perovskite solar cells. These crystals are the rising stars of solar tech. And get this, we can make them using simple chemistry at room temperature. No more expensive manufacturing. But wait, let's talk about organic solar cells. These flexible, semi-transparent cells are made from carbon-based materials, just like us. Imagine solar-powered clothes or windows that generate electricity. And finally there's dye-sensitized solar cells. Think artificial photosynthesis, photoelectrochemical, 3 incredible hydrogen-powered vehicles. I saved the best for last, so let me blow your mind. Honda has the 2025 CR-V EFCEV, and it's about to revolutionize the daily drive. It's your favorite compact crossover, but make it powerful and with 0 emissions. Honda's not playing around with this one. Next up, the Hyundai Nexo. It's already crushing it on the streets, with a solid range up to 380 miles on a single hydrogen fill. That's like driving from LA to San Francisco without breaking a sweat. Plus, it's packed with tech that'll make your Tesla friends jealous. And for all my luxury lovers out there, BMW's cooking up something insane with the iX5 Hydrogen. They've teamed up with Toyota to create a beast that turns hydrogen into pure electric power, and it's like nothing else in the world. This isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into our future. The hydrogen revolution isn't far off, it's already here. Big tech companies are racing to get their hands on this. Check it out. Critical minerals like cobalt, nickel, and lithium, the same exact materials needed for new electronics and batteries, won't exclusively be mined from the earth. Here's the money move. Traditional mining? It tears up the earth, uses massive amounts of water, and the environmental impact is off the charts. The recycling industry is absolutely exploding right now. Major tech giants and automakers are pouring billions into recycling facilities. Invest, because 1 ton of recycled phones contains more precious metals than tons of mined ore. We're talking 80 times more. Plus, these recycled materials are processed locally, cutting out thousands of miles of transportation and reducing supply chain risks. It's not just green, it's smart business. The future isn't just in the ground, it's in our old car batteries and our old devices. Trust me, this industry is just getting started. Do you know about next-generation photovoltaics, where we're literally engineering light-capturing materials at the atomic level? These aren't average nanoparticles, they're semiconductor crystals so tiny, they react at quantum levels. We're talking 2 to 10 nanometers. That's over 100,000 times thinner than your hair. Their size determines which colors of light they absorb and emit. Make them bigger? They catch red light. Smaller? They grab blue light. It's like having a tunable light antenna at the atomic scale. The real magic? Quantum confinement. When we shrink semiconductors this small, electrons get trapped in a quantum well, dramatically changing how they interact with light. Think of it like forcing light and matter to dance together in a nanoscale cage. Scientists are now stacking different-sized quantum dots in layers, creating solar cells that can capture almost every color of sunlight. We're talking potential efficiencies that blow traditional panels out of the water. The crazy part? We can spray these quantum dots onto almost any surface.